Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video, I thought I would share what I did to fix a problem I had with a leaky bathroom faucet, and maybe this video will help you fix a similar problem. Now I have a Kohler bathroom faucet, but these steps should be pretty similar for other brand faucets as well. So as you can see, this bathroom faucet had a steady leak that was progressively getting worse. Any leaking faucet is a terrible waste of water, and you're essentially pouring money down the drain. A leak of this type is typically caused by a faulty water cartridge that's located underneath the handle of the faucet. When you turn the handle to the on position, the cartridge allows the water to flow through the spout. When you turn the handle off, the cartridge is supposed to stop the flow of water through the various different components within the cartridge itself. Over time, faucet cartridges experience wear and tear as well as corrosion, which results in a leak that starts out as a small drip but will eventually get worse. Since this is a two-handle faucet, meaning there's one handle for the hot water and one handle for the cold water, I'll need to determine which one is causing the leak. I started by shutting off one water supply at a time and used that to determine which handle is causing the leak. In my case, it was the hot water handle. Next, I had to find the right part before doing any kind of repair work. This required me to find the make and model of my bathroom faucet. Well, I knew it was a Kohler brand, but the model number was a mystery. Most brands will have the model number of the faucet listed right on the water supply lines. This will require you to get underneath the sink, and I found that using my phone to take a video was the easiest method to get the model number for the faucet. Once I had the model number, I Google searched for Kohler faucet parts, and it took me right to Kohler's part replacement website. I really like Kohler's parts website because it offers a lot of helpful info and how to find a part and model numbers and a lot of other useful information. Since I already knew my faucet model number, I typed it in right in the middle of the page here. One thing I did notice is that I didn't need to enter the whole string of numbers listed on the tag, only the R7216-4D, and that brought up the correct faucet. As you can see, Kohler does an excellent job of providing a schematic view of the faucet and all the parts that go into it. For me, all I needed was this guy, the hot water cartridge. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to order this part directly from the Kohler website, but I did get the exact part number I needed, which is the GP1092204 number. So I just Googled that and was able to find the part in a couple of places, including Amazon. Once the part was delivered, I went ahead and shut off the hot water supply to the faucet. Next, I removed the hot water handle base by wrapping the base with a small towel and using a pair of pliers to loosen it up. The towel will protect the finish of the handle base so that it doesn't get damaged. Twist to the left to loosen the base. Next, I cleaned up whatever crud that had built up over the years around the base. After that, I used the pliers to remove the nut that is holding the cartridge in place and then pulled the old cartridge out. I inserted the new cartridge and tightened it using the pliers. Be careful not to over tighten. I then placed the handle base onto the cartridge, making sure the handle itself was in the on position. After tightening the base, I turned the handle to the off position to make sure everything lined up just right. After everything was all buttoned up, I turned the water supply back on and tested the handle to make sure it was properly allowing water to flow through when it was on, as well as shutting the water off completely with no leaks. It all tested good. I hope this video helps you guys out. If you have any additional tips or advice, feel free to drop a comment in the comment section below. Consider subscribing because we'll be adding more videos soon, and we appreciate the support.